Hi folks, today we're going to make some Italian Amarettis. These Amarettis are naturally gluten-free, but today I'm also making a vegan version without eggs. These soft cookies are so easy to make and yet so delicious. So let's take a look at the recipe. In a bowl, I'm taking 2 cups of almond flour, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of sugar, a zest of a lemon. I'm zesting the lemon right into the bowl here. Next, I'm going to use the lemon juice from that lemon into the bowl. For the egg replacer, I'm using Bob's Red Mill. You can get this on Amazon. You can also use flaxseed powder if you don't have the egg replacer powder. In a small bowl, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of the Bob's Red Mill egg replacer powder mixed with 3 tablespoons of water. If you're using flaxseed powder, make sure you use warm water. And then I'm going to add, once everything is mixed in together, I'm going to add that mixture into the bowl with the rest of the ingredients. And then I'm just going to use my hands here because this is a fairly simple recipe. You can use your mixer, electric mixer or food processor for this. The dough will be pretty sticky. And that's fine. In a separate plate, we're going to take 1/4 cup of icing sugar and make sure you have a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. So next, we're going to take our dough. Make sure you wet your hands with some water and make a small walnut-sized ball out of the dough, and then just roll it on the icing sugar until everything is coated. And then dust off any extras and stick in an almond into the center like this, and then place it on the parchment paper. So our dough made about 20 cookies, so we're going to put this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes. You want to keep an eye on it, and you want to make sure the bottom is golden brown. So these have come out of the oven, and when you look at it, they're soft to the touch when you touch them, but on the bottom they're golden brown, so that's what you want. And these are delicious. As always, say a little prayer and spread the love. Just give this recipe a try and see you in the next video.